Now, we at Olaplex recommend using number 3 once a week for your normal hair care routine or up to 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. All right, so first things first, we want to apply Olaplex number 3 to damp, towel-dried hair. Now, what does this mean? This means that, for instance, my hair is 2 days dirty, but I don't have any hairspray or any other products in it that I've used since I last washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dampen my hair, towel dry it, and then apply the number 3. For those of you that have an excess amount of product in your hair, you might feel the need to want to do a little light shampoo, and there's nothing wrong with that. It will not negate your effects at all. We're just gonna wanna make sure that you shampoo and condition your number 3 out just to make sure that it doesn't become heavy on the hair. All right, so let's get this hair damp. And next we're gonna wanna apply a generous amount from our roots to ends and making sure our hair is thoroughly saturated. My favorite way to ensure my hair is covered is to section into a couple different parts and use a little bit of Olaplex in each section just to make sure I've got everything. For me, this is my easiest way to conserve Olaplex. Generally, I see about 4 to 5 uses from a bottle. Some of my thicker haired friends only see 3. So this is just how I make sure that I prolong that little bottle, because a little bit does go a long way. Remember, with Olaplex number 3, tiny but mighty. We're just applying that last little bit. And now that our hair is fully saturated, we wait a minimum of 10 minutes. Now remember, this is a minimum, not a maximum. There is no maximum amount of time that you can sit with Olaplex number 3 in your hair. That's because we're not a conditioner, we're not a protein or anything of the sort. So leaving in for a long period of time won't affect your hair in any way. Now, what you do with your minimum of 10 minutes, that's totally up to you. No judgments. None at all. Okay, now it's time to wash and condition. I'm gonna be using the Olaplex number 4 and 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. But the amazing thing about Olaplex is that it's super versatile, so it will fit in with any of your hair care lines. And just like that, we're all done. And look how little I use.